video we will be talking about the if and if function or formula. First, let's talk about the logical expression kasi doon siya napakaloob. I mean, si if function kasi to determine if the data or your condition or criteria is true or false. I mean, kung naghahanap ka ng bagay, dapat alamin mo kung totoo ba o hindi. So, for this data set, ito, makikita ninyo, random data siya na meron 2019, then 2020. So, ngayon, kung isa-sum ko man or average ko man, yung itong value na to, gusto ko is makakategorize ko siya by the year. Ayoko siya isam ng isang bagsakan lang. Gusto ko isasum ko siya per category. So, for this sample, ginawan ko siya ng 2019 and then 2020. Okay, so first, let's talk about logical expression. So, logical expression is like this, equal sign to start the formula. Default po yan, always use the equal sign para i-start yung formula. So, may condition is gusto ko makita kung ito ba is equals dito. Siyempre, kung isipin natin, masasabi natin na hindi. Pero just for example, yeah, let's see kung anong lalabas na result. So, lahat false. Okay? Kasi hindi naman talaga kasi equivalent nito. Ito. Okay? Pero lagyan natin ng konting, kunwari lang ito is equals pa dito. Yan, ganyan na natin. To see the true and false. Ito yung nilalabas na condition, the logical expression or logical condition. So, true and false. So, bakit pa kailangan si if? Si if, para mapakita natin or para mapalabas natin yung gusto natin palabasin. Kunwari, ito is blank, palalabasin natin na blank. Ito is may data, nalagyan natin ng may data instead of true or false. Okay? So, like this sample. Let's delete this one. Yeah. Let's remove this. Okay. So, for this sample, since gusto lang natin kunin is in 2019, gagawin natin, magko-condition tayo by the column C or by the year. So, equal sign, if this is equal to 2019, the result will be this. Otherwise, or else, leave it blank. Paano siya gagawin leave it blank? Dapat maglalagay kayo ng double quote. Okay? Then close the formula. Close parenthesis. There you go. So, lahat ng 2019, dapat may data. So, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2020. Let's do this one. So, 2020, 2020. Okay, so far, so good. Yung gusto naman natin palabasin na data is lumabas. Okay? Pwede rin naman gawin ninyong hindi blank. Sabihin natin na let's say NA. Yan. So, ganyan. Or pwede rin namang, or the usual condition na ginaglalagay is dash. Para mapakita na walang data. So, then ganun lang din gagawin natin para naman i-categorize si 2020. Kunin lang natin to. Copy na lang natin yan. Then, let's change the 2019. Oops. Equal sign. Let's change 2019 to 2020. And then, the result is, okay, laging una nating condition, si true. So, pag ito is true, if the value is true, equivalent to this cell. Otherwise, it is dash. Okay? Lagi siyang true and false. Una lagi, after your condition, after comma, is your true. And then next is your false statement. Okay? So, drag lang natin. Pwede rin namang Ctrl-C or copy. And then highlight nyo kung saan nyo ipipaste. Paste that formula. Okay? But be careful if idadrag nyo yung formula nyo to the right or to the left. Kasi, tingnan nyo to. C2, yun yung condition natin, and then dito yung result, yung dinrag natin, naging D2, adjust natin, yung dinrag natin, naging D2, then E2 instead of C2, then D2. Okay? Quick fix for that is always lock your formula or your cell doon sa formula. For this one, ilalak natin si C. Bakit? Kasi nandun yung condition natin. Dito yung year. So, next is ilalak natin si D. Bakit? Kasi nandun yung result natin. Wala naman kay D yung year, and then wala naman din kay A yung result. Okay, but di natin nilak si 2 kasi pag nilak natin si 2, hindi na siya bababa. Mag-i-stay na siya kay column C, then row 2. Ito yung row, ito yun. To represent this one. So, sample, lock natin pareho. Then, ibababa natin ngayon. See? Same result. Kasi yung condition mo, nag-stop na dito. Nag-stay na dito. Okay? Control Z. Put it back where it was. And then, ayan ang if function. Hindi lang naman equal sign ang pwede magamit kay if. Meron ding greater than sign, less than sign, or pwedeng not equal. Okay? So, let's try gawin yung greater than. Let's say D2, the salary, is if greater than 50,000, the result will be high rate, otherwise low rate. Okay? Yon. So, high rate, kasi 75,000, greater than 50 nga. Then 50, 65, 45, low rate. 10K, 10,000, low rate. Then 50,000, low rate. Bakit? 50,000 naman yung condition natin. Kasi, greater than. Kung lalagyan natin ng equal sign, greater than or equal, 50,000, magiging high rate na rin siya. Okay? Naka-depend yung result doon sa condition ninyo. And guys, reminder, dapat laging nauuna si greater than or equal or less than sign before si equal. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay? For example, then error. Okay? So, yun yung ibang pwedeng magawa kay if function. Then, having the result of this, we can just do this. We can type the actual result, high and low. Okay? So, let's proceed now with the ifs function. Let's say itong mga manager. Sa mga manager tayo magbe-base. Okay. Ifs, lalagyan nyo lang ng S, yung if natin kanina. Then, ifs, this manager name cats, nahanap natin siya doon. The result will be KZ. Guys, don't forget yung quotation mark natin, the open and close quotation mark, kasi yan yung magsasabi na text yung result. Otherwise, pag di nyo nilagyan yung text na result or value nyo, ang magiging kalalabas niya is error. Okay? Magmamatic kagad siya as false. Okay, so if true, KZ. Then, lagay lang natin yung kasunod. Si B2 pa din, if equals to Ogie. Then, the result is Ogie. Okay? Sige, tingnan nga natin muna. So, as you can see guys, we have two conditions. If si B2 ba or si column B is equivalent to cats, the result will be KZ. If si B2, result is Ogie, the result will be Ogie. Okay? So, let's see. Yun. So, nakuha naman natin yung condition na gusto natin, na si cats will be KZ and OG will be OG. Okay? And then the other is nag-error na kasi wala siya sa condition natin. So, paano gagawin natin? For that, we can do another condition. B2 equals to nanny. Let's minimize this one. Nanny. And then the result will be NN. Okay? So, there you go. Nakuha na natin lahat. Pero, paano kung gusto ko lang is si Ogie and KZ talaga? Okay? For that one, we can close Let's put it back on where it was. So, for that one, for that case, para hindi mag-error or hindi na siya mag-NA message sa result, ang need nyo lang gawin is true to stop the condition na true lahat yon. And then, ilalagay na natin ngayon si else statement natin. Okay? So, if everything goes true, ito yung mga result, then let's put other. That's the false statement. Okay? So, let's drop this down. There you go. So, nanny equals to other. Nanny equals to other. Let's put other data. Let's say TD. Then, shows other pa din. Okay, cats, the KZ, TD, shows other. Okay? So, that's the if statement.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much of it. If you have any question about Google Sheets, just comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. Okay?
See you in the
Bye-bye,
next
guys.
video. Thank you for watching.